Hey guys, this is Sam here. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys what to keep in your Uber car. So some of the things that you might need. So first things, this is basically just a duster that has multiple purposes. You can put it in your, basically you can wear it in on your hand. Has two different surfaces. And what I'm going to do is also in the description I'll put up information on where to get this stuff. And this is just basically a microfiber cloth used for cleaning. Then there are these gloves that I bought. Have a rubber palm, and I kind of use these to if you have a flat tire, it's helpful to have something like this to pick up your wheel, or could be heavy, you could scratch your hands, and this just kind of makes it easier to pick up stuff. So for changing a flat tire, it's really good. Then we have another pair of gloves that I use for. This one basically has a rubber palm also, but it's thin and it's used for. It's non-slipping basically, so it's good for holding stuff. Yeah. We have a phone holder, just an extra one that I keep in the car. Then I have a Squeegee that I got from dollar store. It's really quick and easy way to clean your windows. And then there's a spray bottle that I have with water in it, and this is what I use to clean the window. So I just spray on it, and then I just use the squeegee on it to clean it. Then we have this thing right here. It's basically a lint remover. It's good for quick, cleaning of your car seats. It's really helpful. Instead of vacuuming, it's an alternative for vacuuming, so it really helps. It also helps the floor, carpet. You can pick up hair and all kinds of stuff. And let's see, here's another thing that I like to keep, as also to pick up, it's like a little brush pan for the car, a mini brush pan you can use to pick up stuff. And then any kind of torch, so like a flashlight. So I have this little flashlight, and I have this thing that I can put on my head to have my. It's not working because my battery's dead, but you put it on your head, and to have your hands, free if you're checking your car oil, engine oil, or working on your car or whatever at night. Helps. This is another piece of cell phone holder that goes onto your AC vent, basically. Another piece of cloth. And then another thing that I keep for cleaning, cheap and easy, rubbing alcohol. Helps a lot for cleaning messes. Let's see what I have inside the car. So for inside, I'll show you guys some of the most important and basic stuff. So I have this thing right here. It's a car charger, phone charger for the outlet, the 12 volt outlet in your cars. So basically this one's a 4 USB ports on it, so that really helps. And so that's one of them. And in that I have my main phone connected, the one that I have the Uber app connected to. And then I have another cable that's connected to my dash cam. I'm going to put the link in the description as well from where I got that from. It's really good because it has both front and back recording, so it records inside as well as outside. Then we have another, so this is basically an Android charger, USB-C. And then I have another charger, which is basically my, what do you call, iPhone charger. Your regular lightning cable, which basically all the new phones use, right here. And then we have, let's see, we have just a water container. This is where I connect my phone. This is another vent phone holder. And that's basically it. And we have, I also like to keep an umbrella in the car just for rainy days. And let's see what else. Then I like to keep a couple of plastic bags just to keep trash in the car. If I'm on the road, I don't want to, don't have a trash can anywhere around, so I just put the trash in a plastic bag. Another thing I like to keep is a Lysol. Well, this is like a Great Value, like a Walmart brand Lysol, which is much cheaper, but it does the same thing, exact thing as Lysol. Smells exactly the same too. So keep another couple plastic bags just in case, people get sick in your car. It helps to have something. If they're about to get sick, you can hand them the plastic bag and they can puke in there. Let's see what else. This is another little device for checking your tire pressure. I have a couple of other charging cables. So I have a regular USB connector, one of those old USB cables for older Android phones, and I have a aux cable as well, which sometimes people ask for. Another cool thing I have is an inverter for the car. So this gives you like a 120 volt outlet to plug in your laptop or anything of that nature, and you just plug it into your 12 volt socket in your car. So this is really cool. Let's see, another thing I'll have that really helps in case you get like a check engine light on. This I bought on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description also. It tells you what the error code is. And then we have a jumper cable, which is really helpful in case your battery runs out. You can have someone give you a jump. So that's really useful. Another thing I have is just your neck pillow, average neck pillow. I just basically put it under my head when I'm taking a break. It really is very comfortable. So if you put this under your head and you recline your seat all the way back, you can take a comfortable nap. So that's basically it, guys. Hope you liked this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And there's a lot more content to come in the future. Until next time, take care.